Dear students, in this session we start with new chapter trigonometry. First, we are going to define radian measure. Radian is the measure of an angle at the center of the circle subtended by an arc whose length is equal to the radius of the circle. One radian is denoted by 1 C. Suppose radius is r units, the length whose length is equal to r will make angle at the center, that is called 1 radian. R units will make 1 radian. The total length of the arc, I mean circle, 2 pi r units, that is 2 pi radian. 2 pi radian in terms of degree, that is 360 degree. Pi radian equal to 180 degree. Pi by 2 divided by 90. Pi by 3 radian 60. Pi by 4 45. Pi by 6 30 degree. So pi radian equal to 180 degree. 1 radian equal to 180 by pi degree. One radian is equal to 57 degree, 70 minutes, 45 minutes approximately. At the same time, 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radian. 1 degree equal to 0.01746 radian. This is useful to convert degree into radian. This is useful to convert radian into degree. So pi by 2 equal to 90 degree. 2 pi by 2 equal to 180. 3 times pi by 2, that is 270. 4 times pi by 2, that is 360 degree. Some special angles you have to remember: radian and degree. Values. If you take pi by 3, that is 60 degree. Without calculation, you should know 2 pi by 3, that is 180 degree. 3 times pi by 3, that is 180 degree. 4 times pi by 3, 4 pi by 3 equal to 240 degree. 5 pi by 3 equal to 300 degree. 6 pi by 3 equal to 360 degree. Pi by 4, that is 45. 2 times pi by 4, that is 90. 3 times pi by 4, 135. 4 times pi by 4, 180. 5 times pi by 4, 225. 6 times pi by 4, 270 degree. 7 times pi by 4, 350 degree. 8 times pi by 4, 360 degree. Take pi by 3, pi by 6, 30 degree. 2 pi by 6, 60 degree. 3 pi by 6, 90 degree. 4 pi by 6, that is 120. 5 pi by 6, that is 150. 6 pi by 6, that is 180. 7 pi by 6, that is 210. 8 pi by 6, that is 240. 9 pi by 6, 270. 10 pi by 6, that is 300. 11 pi by 6, 330. 12 pi by 6, 360. Radian corresponding degree values. The sum of interior angles of a polygon of n sides equal to n minus 2 into pi. Sum of interior angles of polygon of n sides equal to n minus 2 into pi or n minus 2 into 180 degree. each interior angle of polygon of n sides equal to n minus 2 by n into 180 degree or n minus 2 by n into pi. The sum of exterior angles of polygon of any number of sides equal to 360 degree equal to 2 pi. Zero, 90, 180, 270, here also 360. First quadrant, second quadrant, third, fourth. Here all ratios are positive. Here sin theta and cosec theta only will be positive, remaining will be negative. Consider third quadrant, tan theta, cot theta are positive, remaining are negative. Here fourth quadrant, cos theta, sec theta will be positive, remaining will be negative. How to remember values? See, you are familiar with 30, 60, 45, 90. You take 30 degree, 60 degree, 30, 45, 60, 150, 135, 120, 210, 225, 240, 330, 315, 300. Yeah, remember these kind of angles. The list of angles. These all lie in the first quadrant. This will be the second. This will be the third. This row, angles in this row on fourth quadrant. These all in third. These are in second. But if you know these values, you can tell the values of all the angles easily. For example, I want to find sin 30, sin 150, sin 210, sin 330. Sin 30 equal to 1 by 2. Remaining all angles also have 1 by 2. Sin 30 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. But numerically equal, sign may be different. So here first and second quadrant side will be positive. Third and fourth quadrant side will be negative. So here minus half, minus half. So numerically equal, sign will be different in two quadrants. If you remember, you will do the sum easily. Like that, cos 30, cos 150, cos 210, cos 330, root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2. First and fourth quadrant cos will be positive, second and third will be negative. That's it. If you know the value of cos 30, you can find easily all the values of 150, 210 and 330. Then tan 30, tan 155, tan 210, tan 330, that is 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. First quadrant plus, third quadrant plus. Here we have minus sign. Cot 30, cot 150, cot 210, cot 30 equal to root 3. Here also first quadrant and fourth quadrant positive, remaining will be negative. In the same sense, you can find all the values of secant, cosecant, then sine, all ratios of 45, 135, 225 and 315 and 60, 120, 240 and 300. If you remember these values of these results and list of angles, these are related to 30 degree. These angles are related to 45 degree. These angles are related to 60 degree. If you remember this shortcut method, we can do this sum without taking much time. Without calculation, you can tell the answer for all. Ratios of 90 minus theta. These values are important. You have studied in even 10th standard. Grade 10 you have studied 90 minus theta, cot 90 minus theta, secant 90 minus theta, cosecant 90 minus theta, sin 90 minus theta, cos theta, sin theta, cot theta, tan theta, secant 90 minus theta, cosecant theta, here secant theta. 90 minus theta lies in first quadrant. Here theta is lies in the lies between 0 and 90. Then 90 plus theta. The same changes will be happening there. But 90 plus 1 second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine will be positive. Cosecant will be positive. Remaining all the angles are negative. This is of 180 degree minus theta. Sin 180 minus theta, cos 180 minus theta, tan 180 minus theta, cot 180 minus theta, secant 180 minus theta, cosecant 180 minus theta. For 180, the ratios will not get changed. Sin 180 minus theta, sin theta, here cos theta, here tan theta only, here cot theta, secant theta and cosecant theta. 180 minus theta means lies in the second quadrant. Second quadrant sin will be positive, cosecant will be positive, remaining all ratios will be negative. Next move into sin 180, this is 180 plus theta. For 180 plus theta, third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan positive, cot positive, remaining all will be negative. Next, two 270 minus theta, sin 270 minus theta, cos 270 minus theta, tan 270 minus theta, cot 270 minus theta, secant 270 minus theta, cosecant 270 minus theta, sin 270 minus theta, that is cos theta. Sin will change into cos, cos will change into sin, tan will change into cot, cot into tan, secant into cosecant, cosecant into secant. But this is third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan will be plus, cot will be plus. You should not see right hand side. You have to look up to the left hand side. For tan positive, for cot positive, remaining will be negative. Then ratios of 270 plus theta. The same changes, but fourth quadrant, cos will be negative. For cos, answer is positive. For secant, answer is positive. Remaining will be negative. So, ratios of minus theta or 2 pi minus theta, sin of minus theta, cos of minus theta, tan of minus theta, cot of minus theta, secant of minus theta, cosecant of minus theta, sin of minus theta, sin theta, minus sin theta, plus cos theta, minus tan theta, minus cot theta, plus secant theta, minus cosecant theta. So you have to remember all these results. So 360 plus theta means just theta. Two n pi plus theta equal to theta. Like that 2 n pi minus theta equal to minus theta. 2 n pi means multiply of pi, 2 pi. First one round it will become 0. If you reach 360, that is 0. So sin 390 is equal to sin 30 degree, that's it. 360 plus 30, sin 30. Suppose 750, 2 rounds 720, again 30. So 270 plus 3, how many times you have to complete the rotation? That is 2n pi plus additional angle the answer. Like that, if you subtract some angle from 2n pi, the answer is minus theta. Suppose I take 690 degree. This is equal to 720 minus 30. So sin 690 degree equal to sin 720 degree minus 30. That is equal to minus theta. That is sin of minus 30. That is minus sin 30 minus 1 by 2. That's it. So like that you can calculate. I want to find tan 750 degree. Tan 2 times 360, 720 plus 30. That is equal to tan 30, that is 1 by root 3. That's the answer. Domain, range. This is very important. For sin A, domain R, range -1 to +1. Cos A, domain entire real number -1 to +1. Tan A, R minus 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. N belongs to integers. Range R, that is minus infinity comma plus infinity. Cot A, R minus n pi. N belongs to Z. That is R. Cosecant A, R minus n pi, n belongs to Z. So minus infinity comma minus 1, union 1 comma infinity. Secant A, R minus 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, n belongs to Z. Yes, same thing. Minus infinity comma minus 1 union 1 comma infinity. Some list of formulae. Sin A plus B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A minus B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, cos A minus B, cos A cos B, cos A plus B, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, cos A minus B, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Tan A plus B, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B, tan A minus B, tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B, cot A plus B, cot A cot B minus 1 by cot A plus cot B. Cot A minus B, cot A cot B plus 1 by cot B minus cot A. Sin A plus B into sin A minus B, which is equal to sin squared A minus sin squared B, which is also equal to cos squared B minus cos squared A. This should be remembered. This can be proved easily. Cos A plus B into cos A minus B equal to cos squared B minus sin squared A, or cos squared A minus sin squared B. So sin 2A, we can write sin A plus A, sin A cos B, in place of we have A plus cos A sin B, in place of we have answer A. So 2 sin A cos A. So sin 2A equal to 2 sin A cos A. Dividing from this formula, divide the angle by 2, that is sin A. 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. You take this formula, sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a two sin a by cos a into cos a, so it will become cos squared a, multiplying and dividing by cos a, sin by cos a tan a, 2 tan a, cos squared a equal to 1 by secant squared a, that is secant squared a equal to 2 tan a by 1 plus tan squared a. So this is another formula, sin 2a equal to 2 tan a by 1 plus tan squared a. From this, sin a equal to 2 tan a by 2 by 1 plus, this can be derived, dividing the angle by 2 on both sides, sin a equal to 2 tan a by 2 by 1 plus tan squared a by 2. So regarding sin 2, we have two formula. So sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a, one formula. Another formula 2 tan a by 1 plus tan squared a by 2. Cos 2a equal to cos a plus a. You apply cos a plus b formula. Cos a cos b, b that is a, minus sin a sin b, in place of b we have also a, cos squared a minus sin squared a. So in place of cos squared you can write 1 minus sin squared a. So cos 2a. From this cos a, that is cos squared a by 2 minus sin squared a by 2, dividing by the angle by 2 on both sides. Cos 2a equal to cos squared a minus sin squared a. But we know that cos squared a equal to 1 minus sin squared a. Here also sin squared a. One minus 2 sin squared a. Cos 2a equal to 1 minus 2 sin squared a. So cos a equal to 1 minus 2 sin squared a by 2. That is another formula. Again you take cos 2a equal to cos squared a minus sin squared a. You take cos squared a as it is. In place of sin squared you can write 1 minus cos squared a. Cos squared a minus 1 plus cos squared a. 2 cos squared a minus 1. So cos 2a equal to 2 cos squared a minus 1. From this cos a equal to 2 cos squared a by 2 minus 1. cos 2a equal to 1 minus 2 sin square. From this 2 sin square a equal to 1 minus cos 2a, this formula. From this 2 sin squared a by t equal to 1 minus cos a. This also should be remembered. Sin squared a equal to 1 minus cos 2a divided by 2. From this sin squared a by t equal to 1 minus cos a by 2. All the results should be remembered. So you can take this one as sin squared a by 2 equal sin squared a equal to 1 minus cos 2a by 2. Sin squared a by 2 equal to 1 minus cos a by 2. Cos 2a equal to 2 cos squared a minus 1. From this 2 cos squared a equal to 1 plus cos 2a. Cos squared a equal to 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Cos squared a by 2 equal to 1 plus cos a by 2. From this, okay, 2 cos squared a by t equal to 1 plus cos a. Cos 2a equal to cos squared a minus sin squared a. Cos squared a minus, if you take cos squared a common, 1 minus sin squared a by cos squared a. So cos squared into 1 cos squared a. If you multiply, you get sin squared a. So 1 minus sin square cos square tan squared a. Cos theta equal to 1 by secant theta, that is secant squared a. 1 minus tan squared a by 1 plus tan squared a. So cos 2a equal to 1 minus tan squared a by 1 plus tan squared a. From this cos a equal to 1 minus tan squared a by 2 by 1 plus tan squared a by 2. So from this we can summarize the formula of cos 2a. Cos 2a equal to cos squared a minus sin squared a. Cos 2a equal to two cos squared a minus 1. Cos 2a equal to 1 minus 2 sin squared a. Cos 2a equal to 1 minus tan squared a by 1 plus tan squared a. So we have 4 formula for cos 2a in terms of cos and sin, in terms of cos, in terms of sin, in terms of tan. From this cos a, which implies cos a equal to cos squared a by 2 minus sin squared a by 2. From this cos a equal to 2 cos squared a by 2 minus 1. From this cos a equal to 1 minus 2 sin squared a by 2. From this cos a equal to 1 minus tan squared a by 2 by 1 plus tan squared a by 2. Tan 2a equal to tan a plus a. Tan a plus tan a by 1 minus tan a into tan a. 2 tan a by 1 minus tan squared a, that is tan 2a. From this tan a equal to 2 tan a by 2 by 1 minus tan squared a by 2. So sin 3a, we have formula, so I don't derive, just write the formula. 3 sin a minus 4 sin cubed a. From this 4 sin cubed a equal to 3 sin a minus sin 3a. So sin cubed a equal to 1 by 4 3 sin a minus sin 3a, that is cos 3a equal to 4 cos cubed a minus 3 cos a. From this, bring this side, cos 3a plus 3 cos a equal to 4 cos cubed a. From this, cos cubed a equal to 1 by 4 cos 3a plus 3 cos a. You can formula number 32. So tan 3a equal to 3 tan a minus tan cubed a divided by 1 minus 3 tan squared a. 1 minus cos theta by sin theta, that is tan theta by 2. Theta not equal to 2n pi. 1 plus cos theta by sin theta, cot theta by 2. One minus cos theta by 1 plus sin theta, tan square theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus sin theta, that is cot square theta by 2. Cos A, cos 2A, cos 2 squared A, etc. cos 2 power n minus 1 A. But there will be n terms, that is equal to sin 2 power n A divided by 2 power n A by 2 power n sin A. Sin theta, sin 60 minus theta, sin 60 plus theta equal to 1 by 4 sin theta. Cos theta, cos 60 minus theta, cos 60 plus theta equal to 1 by 4 cos 3 theta. Tan theta, tan 60 minus theta, tan 60 plus theta equal to tan 3 theta. The all formulas are important. Still we have to see lot of formulae. Sin A plus B. Sin A cos B, sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. That is 2 sin A cos B. 1 by 2 sin A plus C plus sin A minus B equal to sin A cos B. Sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. 2 cos A sin B 1 by 2 sin A plus B minus sin A minus B equal to cos A sin B. Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B equal to 2 cos A cos B 1 by 2 cos A plus B plus cos A minus B equal to cos A cos B. Cos A plus B minus cos A minus B equal to minus 2 sin A sin B. Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B equal to plus 2 sin A sin B 1 by 2 cos A minus B minus cos A plus B equal to sin A sin B. We take A plus B equal to C, A minus B equal to D, C plus D equal to 2A, A equal to C plus D by 2, 2B equal to C minus D, B equal to, if we subtract, we get 2B, B equal to C minus D by 2. Replacing these 4 values in the previous 10 formulae, sin C plus sin D, 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2, sin C minus sin D, 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2, cos C plus cos D, 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2, cos C minus cos D minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2, cos D minus cos C, 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. The next session we will see more formulae. Go through all formulae. Thank you.